stand for desk size, setting up defensive fortifications. They de-turf, took all the turf up, dug their trenches, yeah, and then built all the sandbags on it, then put the turf back over.
Yeah.
Obviously, what we're going to de-turf, then we're going to start digging.
Yeah, and then put
and
rocks on the inside.
Like a mound round here.
Yeah. And then we'll put those huge rocks, those huge like concrete pillar pieces. Anyway, guys, that was a bit of an unusual start to our video with a bit of military tactics for you. We're back in the location. Yeah, in the middle of nowhere. It's nowhere near the house for anybody that's thinking of trying to wreck it. Put it that way. It's at least 1.5 miles away. So basically, we're here. Andy's not with us today, but this week we're hoping to do 3 days and 3 walks. I mean, I don't know if that's me being optimistic, but I think that'll be really cool. Andy definitely said he's coming out on Monday, because it's a bank holiday. So we've got today, Saturday, tomorrow, Sunday, and then Monday. So we're going to be doing a part 1, 2 and 3 if everybody's able and possible. Apologies if we don't. We want to build our shelter here. We're going to do the fire pit here today. And basically, more camp renovations.
This is top of the range kit here.
Top of the range kit. Yeah, we forgot to bring the shovels, guys. So we're going to get on with that fire pit.
Passes that bucket.
And dig a hole, basically.
Passes that bucket. Is that bucket clean?
Most of them are. That one's not. Do you want a cleaner one?
I need a shovel. I'm going to scoop. Has someone pissed in them?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, so guys, you obviously don't want to see us dig a hole, but welcome to Saturday the 30th, end of the month. Yeah, no more to say. We'll be back once I've donned this and we've begun the fire pit. See you in a bit, guys. Dug the hole. We're just doing a bit of tree clearance because there was loads of coverage. This is the tree now. We're going to break this up into a nice piece of firewood, which we'll burn later. And then we're going to go get the massive liners for the fire pit. So yeah, just a quick update. Thought we'd let you know that we're done. We're cleaning up the wood, and then we're going to go and get the concrete liners. So yeah, see you in a bit. Another quick update. That little shit is the first of 6. 6, yeah. 3 of them, 2 bigger ones and 1 fuck off one. All for the fire pit. So I can't leave McDonald's zone for too long, so I'll be going now. Thought I'd just let you know we're getting there, and I can't wait for food. See you in a minute. 2 more plus 1 little one.
How much more distance do we need on this for the rock?
Not too much. Right, guys. Well, that fucker weighs about 1/2 ton. And we've got 2 of them. One more's not too far away. Another one isn't too far either. But I'm gonna get some food going. Yeah, I'm just gonna set it going. So 2 seconds, people. I think tomato soup is never going to taste so nice in my life.
Still recording?
Yep. Okay. I can barely feel my fingers.
Just like
Dead. Can't get the soup out my bag. Guys, I'm telling you, the effort we've put into this.
You'll never appreciate the effort.
Never, ever underestimate what we're capable of.
I keep thinking the little rocks of potatoes I can fucking have.
Right, that's that burning.
left a lot of holes. That's pretty good, mate. Smell of Pepsi burning. The fart is a little bit more enough now. Can you keep this out? Alright, mate, that smells like
Get yours going and I'll finish
Lam it forward. There you go. Shuffle it forward a bit. A little bit. Don't waste the space. Ooh.
Hey, oh, that's very close. We're nearly.
Pull it up now. I'm going to fucking finish this really quickly. Your plan is, yeah?
You can see where it needs to go.
We're gonna put this in, fill in the edges, because back to that, and then we'll have a fucking cooking pit. No, we can't fill in the edges, can we? We've got to get the
Just lick it to the side and stuff. You're trying to get it off.
Doesn't need to just go this way a bit more, but I can't get the leverage on that to lift it.
Wiggle it in.
Fuck being an engineer.
That's in? I think that's in.
Not very deep hit, is it?
No.
If you get the other one on the side there, that makes it like a little box.
Yeah. That's what I mean.
I
So,
say we fucking do that now.
No.
Fuck it.
fucking hell. My soup fell.
Right, start it. Before I finish.
Right, guys. We'll be back once we're ready to eat. See you in a bit. It's been a short one this week, or today. Hopefully,
A long day for us.
fucking long day for us. Yeah. There's a fire pit. It's nearly done. This is all stone here. Got to compact the sides in, and then we're hoping to put extra rocks in the side. Just a few little ones. So tomorrow we'll use the buckets and go get a few little rocks. Just tidied up there a bit. All that's firewood. All that's wood we're going to use to make. Hopefully all that will get sorted tomorrow with the fire. And that's basically all we've done today, is move block off rocks over here. Still got the toilets there. So slowly but surely this camp is getting there. Yeah. So we'll see you tomorrow then, guys, basically. Apologies for it being a short one, but like McDonald said, fucking it's been a long day for us. And we couldn't show you it all, obviously, because then people will know where we are. And that's the whole point of us moving location, isn't it? So, see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.